Today, everybody's, they're just wrapped in muscles and biceps.
Oh my god.
And steroids.
Steroids.
And steroids.
Yeah.
Rajesh Khanna, Jitendra Sahab, Amitabh Bachchan for that matter, Dharminder, my God,
Oh
what a
my God,
most
what a-
handsome,
yes.
Yep.
what a personality. Everyone, all of them. Today you look at South heroes also, Mammootty and all, they don't have the arms and all that, but performance में you feel that they really hit 15 people, they can hit.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे body बना के ऐसा you just still... Oh sorry, shot खत्म हो गया.
And they can't move.
They
and
can't
they
move,
can't move
yeah.
their face.
They can't move their
Yeah.
face either. You don't know if you're doing this or this.
But Shahrukh, I love him.
Shah Rukh.
Shahrukh Khan, I love him. He's one of
Like, have you ever worked with him?
I did. I've done 4 films with him.
Wow.
Oh.
And it's Dil To Pagal hai, Ashoka, Ravan, and Chalte Chalte.
Okay.
And what a brilliant human being.
True.
More than anybody, anything else. What a brilliant human being.
Yeah.
But I somehow managed to have very good relationship with all the stars.
Okay,
So
yeah.
I was doing a lot of TV those times, so I was already like looked upon as a funny guy. And even Salman, he meets me. It's been ages since I met him last time, and he just started laughing.
There's a clip of Salman Khan laughing on the couple show that we use as memes now. Like the generation
but
uses it as
he's
memes.
genuinely a
Joyful.
lost soul, and
Yeah.
what I think is the most misunderstood hero. But I've
Okay.
had lovely times with him, just chatting. Not that we ever had a party together where we're drinking together. It was normal on the sets. Shah Rukh is from some other world. So I had to tell you about this incident. So we finished shooting Ravan, and there was a music release function. Those it used to be a lot of fanfare around the
Yes.
press and all that
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah.
Film
Yeah.
City, mein huge place, huh?
Which lacks now, I feel.
Yeah, which lacks. And Shah Rukh was on stage announcing each and everybody from the cast and crew on stage.
Okay.
I've done a small cameo. So suddenly I'm seeing my whole row has gotten empty. So I sat alone. Said, damn it. Didn't call me. Then I said,
forgot,
idiot,
yeah.
you're... No. Then I said, I've done a cameo, obviously. Na. Say, kaun si badi baat hai? I sat there and was applauding and all. Shah Rukh Khan again. And I would like to call him Rasool Pukoti. Rasool, my brother. Suddenly he just looks at me because I was obviously,
Yeah, like alone
akela
there.
bed and he looked and I could see him. He looked backstage. He did this and he folded that piece of paper. और अब मैं बुलाना चाहूँगा मेरे दोस्त को जिन्होंने मुझे बहुत सताया है सुरेश मेनन. My brother, please come on stage. I went up.
God.
I never hugged an actor so warmly.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
went up, got him, and said, Shahrukh, you didn't have to do this. I mean, I'm like, wow.
Yeah.
And who does this? Today's
Yeah.
like, he didn't have to do it.
Yeah.
He did that. And that time, fortunately, my whole Red FM gang were there covering the whole event. They were all that, Anna! And all they
That
started
is
screaming
so
from there.
sweet.
So, what a moment. I'll
Yeah.
never forget because that's what he is. He understands from where he's come and he doesn't hesitate. Saying or giving
appreciate.
compliments to people,
Yeah.
appreciate never. Hard-working guy. That's why I really, really always pray for him and wishes that he does well.
Yeah.
I think you can tell the difference when a person is self-made versus when they are privileged in that. way.
Yeah, Shah Rukh
I
has
mean, no
worked hard.
shame to people who are privileged. I mean, you are good for you, but
Yeah.
you can tell the difference when somebody appreciates other people's art,
Yes.
and it shows.
It
that they're
definitely
Shah Rukh
self-made.
has always been like that. Shah Rukh, Akshay, even for that matter, Salman, though Salim Uncle was a huge writer when he came, it was a difficult period for them also. But they all see how
Yeah.
they went up, So
Yeah.
nepotism, I feel that's a wrong word to be used anyways.
Yeah.
Like I had asked somebody, एक बाप मेहनत कर रहा है agriculture.
Exactly.
And ultimately saying, बेटा, sorry हाँ, मैं शीला को दे रहा हूँ सारा कुछ.
Exactly.
कौन शीला?
Sheila is more
शीला वो
talented.
रहती है कहाँ पे? नहीं टैलेंट भी नहीं. अप्लाई किया हुआ है उसने. तू बेटा तू रोड पे सो जा. मैं मेहनत ना वो शीला के लिए कर रहा था.
Exactly.
What
That's
the
our
hell?
point. I feel
There's
like
no point.
there's such a negative connotation
No,
attached
that is
to
there.
like
See,
nepotism.
there is groupism in the industry for sure.
Yeah,
sure.
that I feel is
That
wrong.
you talk about. Nobody's talking about that.
Yeah.
That is the
Yep.
funniest part. So
Exactly. It's
Nepo
so
kids
true.
है ये ना bullshit है. I don't
Yeah.
believe
And
nepo
it
kids.
doesn't
Yeah.
make sense. See, Karan Johar knows Saif Ali Khan, knows Sara Ali Khan since she was born. Of course, he knows if he takes Saif Ali Khan's daughter in his movie, it's going to make money. He's there to make money. Why won't he make money?
Exactly.
It's a simple thing. You're a patient. You go to a hospital. You'll go to the known doctor or to an unknown doctor.
Exactly.
The same thing. But people, it's a conversation starter.
Yeah.
It's fun to
It
diss
makes
people.
you feel like a bigger person and you're like, yeah, I'm ethics.
Oh, nepo,
Yeah.
nepo.
Yeah. And
I have a tough time telling my boys, there's nothing known as nepotism.
Take
If
it.
you believe that, then मेरे जायदाद में तुमको कोई शेयर नहीं मिलेगा.
And then it also is
मैं
like,
नीचे वाला अंकल के हाथ में हवाले करके
and then it boils down to it. If you are presented with that opportunity, would you not take it?
Exactly.
You
and
would, right?
so much of pressure on these kids, you know, like I
True.
see not many people. I think Ranbir is only example of Rishi Saab's son who has done well. Everybody else,
Aryan Khan
Aryan
with
Khan.
Bads of Bollywood.
Yeah.
Fantastic show.
I loved it.
Fantastic.
Amazing.
At last, somebody got the dark comedy
Yup,
right.
exactly.
I enjoyed so much, you know.
The way he was able to touch it but not overstep it and still
Too much. But
maintain
that is
that.
a little bit of Shah Rukh also. That naughtiness. I know
Yeah.
of Shah Rukh naughtiness, you know. That, so this is a very interesting thing. And a lot of people have said a lot of things on Yash Raj films and all this. But this treatment on the sets, Dil To Pagla, absolute newcomers, no right to be standing next to a Shah Rukh Khan also.
Yeah.
Lunch time, beta, kya kha rahe ho? This is Pam auntie. I can call her auntie because she really fed all of us on the sets.
Sweet.
So Adi and Uday's mom, she used to say, आप लोग इधर आके खाइए, घर से खाना लेके आई हूँ. And वहाँ पे Yash uncle, Yash, she's sitting on a chair. Adi and Uday on either side. Auntie sitting over here. Shah Rukh Khan, Madhuri, Karishma, Kapoor, all of us, them sitting on the floor, and 4 friends also sitting on the floor. And 7 of us sitting on the floor and eating with them and listening to stories of
What an
Diwar.
image.
That is so
That's
cool.
an experience in itself.
Thank God I'm in this line. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have gotten this story.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the day I signed the film, I got the film, very small role, but it's still noticeable, people who see it. But I remember my dad, this is good. I know this name. No connection with the industry, nothing.
That is very
Yeah.
sweet.
Hi guys, if you like this clip, you can watch the entire episode at We Are Besharam on YouTube, or you can also check the link in the description box. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, all the jazz, and I'll see you in the comments, okay? Bye!